Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. He performed divination for the female fish and the rat so that they would multiply. He performed divination for the rat and the female fish with the following enchantments when they were coming to the earth. Ejeji lasun, Ejeji lasun, Eji lomo ekun sun loko, Odeta, Eji lomo eja sun lomi, Odeta. Males and females mate to multiply. 2 rats must mate on land to give birth to a 3rd rat. 2 fish must mate in water to give birth to a 3rd fish. They wanted to know what they had to do to multiply while they were on earth. He told them to make a sacrifice with a hen, a bundle of yam, a gourd of water, a fermented melon, Ubobo Ogígí in Yoruba, and of barrio in Bini, and all the seasonings used to prepare a soup. He used the materials to serve his Ifa, pleading for it to bless them with children. He also prepared vegetables so that the female fish and the rat could make soup and consume it along with part of the sacrifice bird, especially the moyaje, gizzard. The soup had to be eaten by both of them as well as by their husbands. Soon after, both became pregnant, gave birth in 3 months, and quickly multiplied in great numbers. If this Odu appears for a woman who is anxious to have a child, the appropriate leaves will be collected to prepare a soup with the gizzard of the hen used for the Ifa sacrifice, and she will surely become pregnant.